I need 3 molar. Oops. And I want to calculate A molar
You look so fun.
and G molar. What am I missing? Let me see. D, T, V, S, oh, U. U underscore. And G. These are the 8 common state vectors. Some of them we have directly in unison. The rest we need to calculate. Pressure, we have it directly. What do? You go on the cell and then right click. When you right click, you have import variable. Shows up, I want in stream 1 the pressure. Scroll down, it's usually alphabetical pressure. Okay?
Oh. Damn. Yeah.
Huh? Question?
That's gonna take forever. That's awful.
As far as I know,
Where do you go to enter in spreadsheet?
What?
Where do you go to enter in spreadsheet?
run the molar,
Go to
molar enthalpy.
I want to
You
click on the
see, how
screen
much it
somewhere.
gives is not given.
Right there. Anyway. Click on
And
it.
this is in black. Why was it in black?
And then do.
Because it was calculated by unison. We didn't enter it. If we enter it, it's in blue. If we didn't enter it, it's in black. And we also have molar volume, and the other 3 we need to calculate. All right. So this is what we have. A, U, and J, we must calculate. Which can we immediately calculate now? How about U? What is U? H minus PV, right? So for U, if it was Excel, I would write equals, I would click on the H value minus P times the V value. Forget about clicking. You don't click, you have to type the address. So this will be same notation as Excel. So the U is going to be B3 for H minus B1 for P times B2 for T. Equals B3 minus B1 times, oh, oops. Okay, tell me how I messed up. I'm messing up royally here. Why am I messed up? Let's see. Here's the equation I used. What is the serious error that I have made? And actually I have made error in importation. Let's see who can figure out my very serious error. Brian.
Is it lowercase versus uppercase?
No, that's fine. What is my serious error? U equals H. Oh, wait a minute. This didn't have any temperature. Okay, I didn't use. Oh, I made a mistake. I put T instead. I made a serious mistake. That's not a mistake I made. It's not V2. It's V. It's B5. Okay, now we go. And you can see clearly a smaller number than H. Can we do A? Can we do A? A is U minus TS. I will intentionally make an error now. Let's see if you can figure out my error. A is U minus TS, right? So equals U is B7 minus temperature is B2 times S is B4. So, why? What is my very serious error here? It's really badly off. All right, Taylor. Bingo. Taylor got it. Temperature must not be Celsius. Must be absolute temperature. Must be Kelvin. So this must be changed to temperature is B2. I'll put a parenthesis to change centigrade to Kelvin. Will be B2 plus 273.15. Now it's right. Okay? U, which is B7 minus temperature in Kelvin times S mod. There it is. And finally G,
Wow, that sucks.
which is what? Why does it suck?
We have to do that every time manually. That's awful.
Well, if you have to use the spreadsheet, yes.
That's the abomination of this program.
What was U?
U is H minus PV.
What in what rows and
Well, you can see the equation. B3 minus B1 times B5. H is what? B3. B is B1. B molar is B5. Okay, let's do the G. So G is U plus PV, for example. Sorry, A plus PV, for example. So B6 plus P times V plus B1 times V molar B5. Okay?
See the equation again for calculating G?
For G? I use A plus PV, right? Let me see that. Do it right? B6 is A, P is B1, and oh, hold it, guys. I messed up. I messed up also another way. We need to make sure that our units are consistent. I forgot it's kilopascals. So to be consistent units, let's see if I'm okay. If it's kilojoules. Let's see, H is kilojoules. A kilogram mole, okay. Let me see if the units are correct. Need to check that. So definitely H calculates kilojoules per kilogram mole, etc.
I mean, doesn't it calculate the units itself?
No, it doesn't. It just calculates the numbers you give in those cells. It doesn't make any conversions. So it just takes those numbers. Tell you what, let's think about it. Okay, so this is kilojoules per kilogram mole, the same as joules per mole ultimately.
Actually,
And so if I have joules, I need to have pascals. So I have kilopascals. So P probably should be times 100. So I think I should be multiplying the pressure by 100 to have pascals. Yeah. So we need to multiply the pressure by 100 to have pascals. See, is the molar volume correct? Let's see. The molar volume should be, yes.
is the entropy using Celsius? Because that says per kilogram mole.
Oh, let's see. is this is a difference.
Yeah, entropy is using Celsius.
Yeah, but that's correct. That's change in temperature. So it's not a number. Change in C is the same change in Kelvin. So the entropy is okay. Now the only question is, temperature we converted to Kelvin, pressure and molar volume. Molar volume is cubic meters per kilogram mole. So if I do everything, so it's basically multiplied by 1,000. If I do everything kilogram mole, then I should have everything kilojoules. So I have a term, pressure enters with volume.
My birthday's coming up.
So kilopascals,
That's wonderful.
if my volume is per kilogram mole, yeah, I think I need to multiply by 100 the pressure. So I need to correct the pressures.
Probably cannot.
Anywhere I put the B1, which is pressure multiplied by 100. This didn't have any. You had. So B1 should be times 100. And G, the W1, yeah, times 100. Is there any check we can do? Let's see how much time. So I put times 100 on that. So what do we have? We have H at 144. We have next G at minus 123, minus 6 minus 6. Another way to calculate G, if I've done things correctly, should be the same as U minus TS. Let's see what I get if I have U minus TS. Equals B7 minus T is B2 plus 373.15. 273. Oh, I put 273 before.
Yeah.
Okay. Times S, which is B4. Yep. Okay, I think I'm correct. Okay, so these are the correct values. Any questions? Yeah.
Can you go back to the formula?
For you? Okay. So I changed that. Yeah, I multiplied B1, the pressure, by 100 to change kilopascals to pascal. Oh, wait a minute, 100 or 1,000?
Probably 1,000.
Yeah, 1,000.
Can you move the window to the right a little bit?
Right. Kilopascals PV. Yeah, I have kilogram mole on the volume. Yeah. And the volume should be cubic meters. Yes. Yeah, so it should be 1,000. So change the 100 to be 1,000. Well, that doesn't do that. Too big. All right, let me think a little bit more about the units. Simple thing units.
You want to go too fast.
The whole thing is here.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway. Okay, so 50 pascals. Yes.
What component are we using Hank Robinson right now as well? Yeah, the fluid package and the component because
Okay, you get the different numbers?
yeah.
Okay. The fluid package that I have, you're getting different numbers. is Wilson, is Wilson ideal gas. It's ideal gas what I use. Is that what you had? That probably explains the differences. Yeah, that would affect the differences.
And we're still using nitrogen.
Yeah, nitrogen. All right, guys, let me think about the pressure conversion, because just getting those huge numbers doesn't make me feel it's correct.
Just make it 500 Kelvin. Make it 2 ATMs to 1 ATM.
The number is just too big. One thing you should always learn to do, question if things are reasonable. It's not reasonable that H and U are that much different. That's simply not very reasonable. Yes, we have high pressure and high temperature, so that makes a big difference. But still, I have a very high pressure, 8,000 kilopascals. Maybe it is.
CJ, are you driving Subway?
I think that's, but no, this not, wait a minute, but this not.
Can I eat your Subway?
This also should be 1,000.
Can I eat your Subway?
I think it's correct, but I have the right to correct it on when this lecture, if second thought told me that the 1,000 shouldn't be there. Okay? I want to make sure that the unit I have is the correct, but at this point I think that's correct. And we do have very high pressure and very high temperature, so it is possible we have such big differences between U and H.